car.
Yeah.
And
Are you rubbing or are you scraping now?
I'm rubbing because my laminate is off.
Oh, okay. Okay. Does it get up and go?
Yes.
Show me some.
What's that?
Okay. Ooh.
It's pretty slow.
Okay.
Late night with a motherfucker like I do the shootouts. You ain't about what you talking about. You can't hang out. Please don't try to jump off the porch. You too old now. Wind down. Fell in love with sand. I traveled like a
Static making the building. What's good, y'all? Today we back here with another banger video, y'all. Our first actual car review. All right, not our first official video, but our first actual car review of the year. And y'all, we got somebody special here for you. All right, y'all, if y'all have not gonna go see the video of my mom driving my modified Honda Civic, y'all please make sure y'all go do so, okay? But with that being said, it's not about that video. It's about this Honda Civic SI with the Type R front end conversion. All right, y'all, this is clean. All right, he got some VS. I'm not even gonna try to butcher that what the last part of that, but he do got some VS somethings on here. They are looking clean. All right. So that being said, you already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's go ahead and take a walk over here. Man, how you doing? All right. Hey, look. So you let me know well, first of all, your build is clean. All right. And you are on bags. Are you aired out right now?
Yeah, aired out.
All right. So you aired out, y'all. So y'all look right here. Okay. He's on the floor. All right. Touching the ground. Okay. Can't even get my fingers under there. So y'all, he's doing it right. Okay. He's aired out, he's bagged, and when he does air out, he doesn't go a mile like some of us do. He don't go a mile on the ground. But y'all, he's clean. Everything about it is just clean all around. So with that being said, you already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get right into this video. All right.
Somebody come get this nigga, he smoking that shit again. Still this bitch, that shit sad. I'm finna hit again. Load it up, sit on home. I'm posted up, $1 million home. 10 lines on my account, I still can't call a bitch. Ain't do it all alone, but I still need all of it. Run around me into taller bitch. Bought my mama a crop burp, like she want ostrich. Being this slow, she still squirt. If I got to take the tag off my jacket.
I do know about these coupes. They do got some heavy doors. All right.
It's a coupe.
I can slide this back.
Yeah.
All right.
Make yourself comfortable.
All right.
I know you're pretty tall.
I know. All right. Yeah, we good right here. I'll go ahead and put my seatbelt on. All right.
All right, ready?
Yeah, we good.
All right.
They're gonna follow you up.
All right.
Hey, you said you had the car for how long?
I had it since last year in April.
Last year of April.
So almost
You've
a year.
came this far.
Yeah.
And
Completely stopped.
let me ask you this, okay?
Yes, sir.
How many cars have you had since then that you've modified?
How many?
How many cars have you had since this one that you've modified?
This is my second car that I modified.
This is your second car.
This is my second.
So you already kind of got the gist of how to modify a car.
Yes.
Would you say your experience was the same when it came down to your first vehicle?
It's a different experience.
Yeah, because you already had that experience of modifying a car.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Let me see. So first of all, I'm gonna let you know. Okay, I got some controversial questions about the car scene, and then I got some more of the easier ones. All right, easier ones will be more about your car. Controversial ones will be more about the car scene. All right. So with you being on bags, all right, you would you ever think about going static ever again? Never.
Yeah. Even though I used to be static.
Yeah.
I fuck up a lot of my shit. My previous car, it was a hatchback. I was slammed to the ground.
Yeah.
At that time, I fuck up a lot of stuff. All of my underplates, all of my fender liners.
Yeah, you good.
All my fender liners are removed. And everything's like cooked.
Yeah.
So that's why I think bags are more safer and easier to buy.
Okay. You say easier to buy.
Not bad. I mean, easier to ride.
Easier to ride. Okay, okay. And then what are your camera numbers that you are running for your for this car?
This car in the front -2.
Okay.
In the rear just no camera.
No camera in the back at all?
Yeah, not at all.
Dang.
Yeah.
It looks like it. Okay.
I mean, if you add out,
it's gonna do some natural tilt.
Yeah, it's gonna be like -5.
And do you rub it all?
No.
No, not at all.
But if I drive on low ride height, it's gonna rub.
Oh, okay.
I'm the type of motherfucking nigga never have my hand down. Stupid motherfucker in my pocket, nigga know I got my cash hanging out. Big 30 on that motherfucker long way, know that bitch hanging out. Bad bitch late night with the slime ball, know she like to hang out. Middle finger with the vibe, I'm the bitch, that's where I hang out. Partner late night with a motherfucker like to do the shootouts. You ain't about what you talking about, you can't hang out. Please don't try to jump off the porch, you too old now.
Wind down. Fell in love with sand. I traveled back in time to give a slave an FN. I've been high as God and still seeing.
It's sort of like an upgrade from my previous car.
Yeah.
And
Are you rubbing or are you scraping now?
I'm rubbing because my alignment is off.
Oh, okay. Okay. What would be one thing that you love and you hate about the car scene in itself?
One thing I hate about it is like they're always doing it for attention. And most of them are doing it for clout. But me personally, I don't do that. I do that for fun.
Yeah.
And I do that just for fun. To show what I love to do.
Yeah.
And have like my favorite team member called Static.
Yeah.
They're like a family to me.
Yeah.
I joined them. I start like modifying my cars and show them how much love they're giving to me.
Yeah.
And I give it to them back. Okay, they treat me so well. I love them so much. So shout out to Static.
Yeah.
And also Nibu.
Nibu. Okay.
They're the best.
Okay.
Yeah, they like both of them show me love. Show me what it's like to be.
Like, people looking like crazy.
Yeah.
Which is crazy because like, bro, like. Well, I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna save that for another question. But go ahead, continue.
All you gotta do, just have fun.
Yeah.
Enjoy what you do. Enjoy what you're doing. If you want to modify a car, do it.
Yeah.
As long as you're being responsible for it.
Yeah.
And take care of yourself too.
Of course. There was a viral thing going around as far as wheels and last year. And I don't know if it still is viral, but there's a new thing or old thing going around as far as wheels and coils are not a build. Okay. How do you feel about that in today's car scene?
When there's like a debate between
so a lot of people they'll get a car like yours. They'll get a car. They'll throw some coilovers on it, or they'll throw some bags on it, and then they'll throw some wheels, and they'll say, "Okay, my build is done."
Okay.
Is that something that you agree with or you disagree with? Like, do you feel like, okay, they'll say, I'm done, like my car's a build?
I feel like it's a disagree. Because every time, it happened to me too personally.
Yeah.
But whenever I say I'm done, but in my mind, in my gut, it's like, something's missing.
Yeah.
Something I need to add just
something
a bit.
can always be added.
Yeah. Just a bit.
Right.
And you complete the build.
If money wasn't a factor, if there was one thing that you could add to this car, anything that you want of your choice, what would it be?
Besides this car?
Yeah, no, like if there was one thing, like if you wanted to add, if money wasn't a factor, somebody came up to you and said, hey, you can add whatever you want to this car for absolutely free.
I want VSKF.
VSKFs. Now, okay. In my intro, I was gonna butcher your wheels. What wheels are these? Cause I thought these were VSKFs, but what are these? These are VS what?
These are work VSSS.
VSSS.
Yes.
See, they be confusing me with all these letters and names. And stuff.
Yeah, I got confused too until I learned something.
Right. Another controversial one. Why do you feel people hate stance cars? Like regular or average people? Mostly it's going to be the average people.
Maybe because they think it's unreliable and they think it's stupid driving very low.
Yeah.
And they think like, oh, why are you driving so low? You gotta fuck up a lot of shit. But for me, I think us stance people, we don't care. It's all for the looks.
Yeah.
All for the looks, and It was fun to drive too.
Right, exactly. And then number one, see, like the attention you give, they looking kind of hard back there.
Thank you, brother.
but look, what I tell people, like, if you really think about it, right? If you really think about it, like when it comes down to it, us lower car or modified car people really have to pay attention to the road a lot more because we're so low. We don't want to make sure we mess up anything. Like people always be like, "Oh, it's so stupid that y'all even drive that long," but it's like, really, we being a lot more responsible than some of the people that drive on the road every single day because they don't pay attention to the roads. If you really think about it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But with this, I know you had you said you had a Civic before this.
Yes.
Why did you decide to go with another Civic out of all Hondas that you could have went with? Why did you decide to go with another Honda Civic?
Initially, before my other Civic, I crashed it, right? After I crashed it, I was debating I want to get another Civic.
Yeah.
Because the day of the accident, my back hit me.
Oh.
For that Civic.
Oh, so okay.
Yeah, so I'm debating like, should I get another Civic?
Right.
And keep that bag?
Yeah. Yeah, you already had them coming in. Yeah.
Or it's so my bag, but again, another brand new,
right,
completely different car.
Right.
I thought about getting an S2000.
Oh.
If I'm selling the bag.
Yeah.
So I tried.
S2K, that would,
It's nice, though.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, S2K. You don't really think about those. You get full lock.
Oh yeah.
Okay, you get full lock.
Full lock.
I ain't gonna lie. Let me ask you this: does it get up and go?
Sorry?
Does it get up and go?
Yes.
Show me some. Show me some.
What's that?
Okay. Ooh.
It's pretty slow.
Okay. So what you pushing as far as power?
Like I said, I was debating getting an S2000. And sell the bag.
Yeah.
So I did. I found an S2000 for sale on the Facebook marketplace. I was about to get it.
Yeah.
I was about to get it until that owner already found a buyer. So that S2000 sold. I bought it for a good deal.
Yeah.
It was like 79 something miles.
Yeah.
And it sold for like 22,000.
For real?
Yeah.
22,000 not bad for an S2K. Yeah. But a lot of people that sell S2Ks don't realize, like, bro, in the car scene, you could really sell your car for a lot more expensive. Like really, because people look for those cars. They look for those cars because, like I said, they're like gems in the car scene. You know?
Lying down, fell in love with sand. I traveled back in time to give a slave an FN. I've been high as God and still seeing. I done lost, I done won, but I took it all, long chin. Damn, tryna.
If there was a person trying to build a Honda Civic Si, what would be one thing that you would tell them that maybe you didn't know when you first started building your car?
Once you get an SI, suspension first.
Do suspension first.
Suspension all the come first.
Okay.
And then wheels.
Do suspension and then wheels?
Yes. And then body kit. That's it.
Suspension, wheels, and body kit.
That's how you gotta do.
Okay.
It basically same goes to any other cars.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then when it comes down to it, was there anybody that you looked up to in the car scene that you maybe like before you started building your car that kind of gave you motivation?
Shout out to before I started modifying my other Civic.
Yeah.
Shout out to Draco. His Instagram is at NotYourFK7.
Okay.
He drives a Stance Civic hatchback with my dark green.
Oh, I think I know who you're talking about.
In Florida.
Yeah. He wasn't he at Gap last year?
Yeah.
In the show?
No, he didn't in the show actually. No.
Or he wasn't his car parked like outside the show, on the other side?
No,
it was a green, like a dark green hatchback.
Well, he didn't go like Galway last year.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he lives in Florida. So shout out to him. He inspired me to build my car.
Okay.
Got me into it too. Right before I joined Auto Cruise.
Okay.
Yeah. He's my inspiration, and now watching him became who I am today. Wait, actually, did I say that right? Sorry.
Watching him became, yeah. Watching him.
Yeah, became who I am today.
Okay. Well, look, I'm gonna go ahead. I thank you for your time today. You wanna shout out your Instagram one more time for everybody wanting to go follow you?
Oh yeah, my Instagram is at tai.le01.
Okay.
And that's my Instagram, and just hit up a follow.
All right.
I
All
really
right.
appreciate it.
So y'all make sure y'all please go follow him. All right. With that being said, stop 2 minutes. Wow. Y'all please make sure y'all go follow him. With that being said, y'all already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for your time today. All right.
Of course.
That being said, I'll see you guys next video. Peace.
Peace.